Now don't let this video fool you. I am filming this the Friday before Valentine's Day, and while I will be getting all cute and dolled up for this video, this is how I will in fact be looking on Valentine's Day. Just putting that out there. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be putting on a cute Valentine's Day outfit and doing a fun and cute Valentine's Day makeup look and explaining how much I hate Valentine's. Okay, hate is a strong word. I don't hate Valentine's Day, but I will explain. So we are going to start off with the outfit. So I'm going to start off with these cute pink corduroy mom jeans. They're actually kind of wrinkly. I probably should have set them out, but it's fine. I have two options for the shirt. This red striped sweater, and I believe the pink stripe will match the mom jeans. Close enough. And then I have this mesh rose top. I think we're gonna try both on and then just decide which one we like better. Now it is time for the fun part, which is the makeup. I should probably go ahead and say, if you came here for a natural, soft glam Valentine's Day makeup look, you should probably click off this video because that's not how we do things around here. So what I'm planning on doing is a fun, like, red and pink eyeshadow look. And then I've seen on TikTok, it is so cute. It is heart freckles, so you like put a lot of blush on, and then with concealer you draw hearts. It is so cute. I'm gonna do my foundation and concealer and stuff off camera because that part is boring and you guys don't care about that.
Soon after.
Okay. Base is on. Acne be gone. I'm trademarking that. If I ever come out with a foundation, that's gonna be my motto. Okay, let's talk about Valentine's Day, shall we? So I know what you're expecting. You're expecting me to be like, oh, I'm so sad because I'm single on Valentine's Day. But here's the thing. I enjoy being single. I enjoy my own company, and I do not need no mans. However, Valentine's Day puts this sort of pressure on everyone. It makes them feel like they should be in a relationship, when really you should just do whatever makes you happy. This is turning into a TED Talk. That isn't me coming for people who are in a relationship either. If you're happy in a relationship, awesome. If you're happy being single, awesome. I don't think there needs to be a holiday celebrating one or the other. Also, I did some research before this video, and you want to know what I found out? All of you people who think being in a relationship on Valentine's Day will make you happy, 14% of US adults say that they have broken up with someone on Valentine's Day. Now that may not seem like a lot, but let's do some math here. I'm taking this way too seriously. But roughly there is 209 million US adults. So, how do I do math? Times 0.14, right? Yeah. 29 million adults who are in a relationship aren't even happy on Valentine's Day. I rest my case. However, I will say, I think Valentine's Day is very cute and I love the activities that come with Valentine's Day. I think the definition of Valentine's Day should be switched into a self-love day. Period. The eyes are all done. I think they came out so cute. I'm very happy with how they look. Okay, we are going to try out the heart freckles now. So I'll probably use like a reddish eyeshadow to make my cheeks like extra red. Look straight at me and tell me I do not look like a cute little blushing fairy. They just look so cute. I think that is the makeup all done. So I think it would look weird if I just like kept my hair plain. So I'm gonna go do my hair real quick. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so I ended up doing this hairstyle that I do a lot. If you want to know how to do it, go and watch my video I made a couple weeks ago. My Face ID doesn't recognize me. I can't open my phone with my Face ID. Okay, so here's the finished look. So cute. I'm very obsessed with the makeup. I love how it turned out. It looks really cute with this hairstyle. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, and I'll see you later. Bye!